Well, I don't know what I'm doing, so yeah. Gonna clean this thing off and get to doing stuff, and then you guys will just see as I update it. So, yeah. So this is where I am so far. This part sits up flat against there. And then what I'm gonna do is probably put resin here or something. I really have no idea what I'm doing, but yeah. Put resin there, have that all stick together, and then the carbon over it, I'm guessing. Like, I don't know. We'll just figure it out as we go. But again, don't care for this thing to look perfect. Just want to fix this little corner decently and then put it on the car. Yeah, this lip is gonna look so good when it's actually on. But we're gonna have to go to my boy's shop most likely. Get a little bit of help installing this thing because yeah, well, the car's too low for the ramps and everything like that, and I just want like an extra set of eyes while I'm doing it. But yeah, we are gonna install this thing, my bad, gonna install this thing tomorrow, or finish installing it tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna explain why the corner is like this as opposed to the carbon. I accidentally deleted the footage, but pretty much the carbon fiber resin wasn't too great. Maybe I needed more hardener, or more than likely I did. I did do a 50-50 mix as the instructions said, but it didn't work as planned. So we just got to try again with something else one day. But yeah, like, noticing the car, it's low. Well, it doesn't really look low because of how high the arches are, but it's actually pretty low. So for example, before I test fitted it, I went to put the ramps under, and I noticed if I ended up driving the car on the ramps, put the lip on, and then drove off, the lip would have ripped off right away because it's actually too low for these ramps. So without wood, I would have been screwed. Pause. But yeah, this thing looks so, oh my god, it looks so mean. Like, that is, wow. I cannot wait to put this thing on. And I bought this one, and this broken one, because one, I just wanted to test with them because I don't know how they actually fit. I've never seen one on a car in person. It was also cheap. It was $100. So I'm like, whatever, like, I can get this one and then wait until I save up some extra cash and grab like a better one. And then I also wanted to see the one-piece look versus the three-piece, because there's a lot of three-piece ones, and yeah, I like this a lot better. I like this one-piece one a lot better. But yeah, I'm just gonna upload this video as is, because tomorrow I'll probably have a completely different set of footage or whatever for other stuff. And then I am also going to be finding the side splitters, and I am going to be finding a rear diffuser. With the rear diffuser, and also different exhaust tips. I just ordered those actually, so those will be coming in maybe 2 weeks. But what I'm going to do is do a custom rear diffuser setup. Not really gonna say what the custom diffuser setup is gonna be, but just know it's gonna be something that's never been done before. And if I do ever end up getting rid of this car that will not be going with it, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to put it on another one, because maybe one day I'll get another one of these, because I really love E70 X5Ms. Or even if I get an F85 X5M next, I'll be able to just modify that diffuser and put it on that. But just looking at the bottom of the car and seeing how the car is, I do feel as if the plan that I have is going to work. I just have to get the diffuser, cut it up, mock it up, and then put it on the car. But yeah, this thing is really sick. I'm gonna lower it some more. I'm gonna give it the rake that it needs, because it doesn't have enough rake or reverse rake, whatever it is. When the front is lower than the back, it needs to have the front lower than the back. So I have to adjust that. I've been thinking if I wanted to change this front fender, because there is one for sale for a good price, and I'm just like, I really don't care that this thing is a bit beat up. Like, it doesn't really bother me. Like, gives it a little character, and it will make it so I don't really care when things like this happen, because I really don't know when this happened. As you guys could see right here, there's like two deep gashes right here. You can hear it. Yeah, you can see something swiped it, and I don't know when or where. And then I also have to get the reflector for the other side, but looking at this reflector, I'm definitely going to get a clear one and then smoke it out like this so it looks super stealthy per usual. But yeah, anyhow, I don't really have too much footage because I accidentally deleted the wrong clips. So yeah, thanks for watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get to you guys in the next one. Peace.